You know, I have a friend whose dad always, he's a really good actor, he's very talented, he's very smart, like 4.0 in college and all this stuff, like a national debate champion. Like he's like really good on his feet, he's a good looking kid. And his dad, because he was an actor though, his dad always would call him gay. He would say, you know, well, acting's gay, and he would just, you know, just put that on him all the time. And he meant it, you know, as a derogatory thing. It was trying to curse him like, I don't approve of you. And I think in the same way, absence can do the same thing. And a lack of words, a lack of affirmation can be a curse. When dad's not there, what he's actually saying to you, that you hear loud and clear, even if he never says it, is, you're not worth it to me to be here.